Hi everyone. In this video, let us talk about a scenario. So the scenario goes like this. So there is a Citrix administrator in the Citrix environment, and this Citrix administrator is trying to shadow a user session. Okay, shadow a user session. So shadowing means taking the remote control of user session to troubleshoot some issues. So this Citrix administrator is trying to shadow a user session, but for whatever reason, this user is not able to do it, and this user is getting an error message. Okay, so it says an error is displayed in Citrix Director when a Citrix administrator attempts to shadow a user connected to a desktop hosted on a server OS machine. Okay, so the shadowing is not happening. So what could be the cause of this error? What could be the root cause of this error? Why Citrix administrator is not able to shadow user's session? The first one is remote assistance is not enabled on the server OS machine. Okay. The second one is Citrix receiver is not installed on the administrator workstation. The third one is the administrator does not have the help desk role in the Citrix Studio. And the fourth one is remote desktop is not configured on the administrator's workstation. So I'll give you 30 seconds time. You can think about it. I'm going to answer. Okay, so if you have selected A, remote assistance is not enabled on the server OS machine, you are absolutely right, because this needs to be enabled, or this needs to be activated on the server OS machine. If you have not activated this remote assistance on the server OS machine, it is not possible to do the shadowing. It is not possible to do the shadowing. And the second one is Citrix receiver is not installed on the administrator's workstation. So that is not a problem, because it doesn't matter whether Citrix receiver is installed or not. So this is not the solution. And the third one is the administrator does not have the help desk role in the Citrix Studio. So if you're an administrator, you should have all the permissions. So this line doesn't make any difference, because the administrator by default has all the permissions. So the administrator does not have the help desk role in the Citrix Studio is not the right option. And the last one is remote desktop is not configured on the administrator's workstation. So this has nothing to do with the MSTSC role on the user's workstation. So the right answer is remote assistance is not enabled on the server OS machine. So we need to enable this remote assistance. You can do it from any operating system, server operating system. You can enable this. Once you enable this, you can actually shadow user session. So that is the reason why user is getting this error message and not able to shadow the user session. All right. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.